Dear students, in this video we will learn some properties of definite integral, and these properties will be useful in evaluating the definite integral more easily. Now let us start, and these properties are given on page number 341 of your NCERT book. Let us understand. The first property is P0. I have taken the same notation as given in your NCERT book. So P0, according to this property, integral of any function fx dx from a to b can be written as integral of ft dt from a to b. Means it follows directly by making the substitution x is equal to t. P1, it states that integral of any function fx dx from a to b can be written as integral of function fx dx by reversing the order of their limits. Means from here it was from a to b, here it can be written as b to a by changing the sign of the integrand. Here it was plus, here I have changed the sign minus. Means if you change upper limit to lower and lower to limit, sign of the integrand will be changed. Now in particular you can say from a to a, integral of the function will be 0, because basically integration, definite integral is area function. So area will be 0 if lower limit and upper limit will be same. Now P2, it states that integral of any function fx dx from a to b can be written by splitting the limits. Means instead of writing a to b, you can write a to c fx dx plus c to b. From a to b, instead of writing a to b, you can write from a to c fx dx plus c to b fx dx. P3, it states that integral of any function fx dx from a to b, this is very important property, this can be written as integral from a to b f a plus b minus x dx. Means lower limit plus upper limit minus x dx. Again P4 is the particular case of P3, property 3. Here instead of a to b, limits are from 0 to a fx dx. This can be written as 0 to a f a minus x. Instead of writing 0 plus a minus x, you will write f a minus x dx. So P4 is the particular case of P3. Now you learn all these property. After that I will discuss P5, P6, P7 in the next video, and then we will solve questions based on these properties. Thank you.